In this video, we're going to review how to do a factoring with a greatest common factor and a magic X in box. So the first thing I always look for when I'm factoring is a greatest common factor, and I notice that 2 goes into all 3 of those terms. So I'm going to pull out a 2. All I'm going to really do is divide each of those by 2. So I get 6x squared minus 25x minus 25. Then I notice that I've got a trinomial with a leading coefficient, so I know I need to do a magic x. The top of my magic x, I multiply 6 and negative 25, and I get negative 150. In the bottom of my magic x, I have negative 25. And then I need 2 numbers that multiply to negative 150 and add to negative 25. So I notice that 30 and 5 multiply to 150, and then if I make the 5 negative, oh, sorry, not the 5 negative. If I make the 30 negative, I get a negative 25, and then I also would get multiply to a negative 150. Because I have a leading coefficient, I do also need to use a box. And so I've got I've got to put the first term in the top left-hand corner. Actually, not that term. I need to put the first term of the one that I factored in the top left-hand corner and the other one in the bottom right-hand corner. And whatever I got in my magic X goes in the other 2 corners. Doesn't matter the order. So negative 30 followed by an X and 5 followed by an X. Then I ask myself, what times what is 6? And I noticed that I could do 2 times 3, but there's no way that's going to divide into 5, so I got to pick something else. So I'm going to choose 6 and 1. 6 is never going to divide into 5, so I am going to choose to put the 1 on the top and the 6 on the side. Then I ask myself, how many times does 6x divide negative 30? It's negative 5. How many times does 1x divide 5x? 5. And then I multiply 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. So now I have my factors on my box. I have to be careful and make sure I drop down this 2. So I get x minus 5 times 6x plus 5.